Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're gonna talk about XRP. And in that previous video, I talked about not selling your XRP too soon. This comes from the XRP guy. Do not sell your XRP until all the below happens. RLUSD is released. That happened. We have not got any value from that yet, though. We're still waiting for that value to reflect in the price of XRP. Trump's inauguration, incoming. Gary officially leaves, incoming. Ripple case ends, incoming. Alt season starts, incoming. We are not even fully in alt season yet. Ripple names big bank partnership. XRP ETF approval, incoming. I'm going to add possible Ripple IPO in the coming months. Then there's ISO 222. Now's the time to do nothing. Sit back, stay patient, and wait to get rich. We don't even have an XRP ETF, and it's already skyrocketing. Wealth managers are not even buying yet. The traditional investors are not buying yet. The countries are not yet buying XRP. BlackRock, XRP ETF incoming. And let's not talk when ISO is adopted. We are ahead of schedule on the price of XRP. And I think it's because some of the suppression was lifted off of XRP. But so much more has to play out still. $3 is nothing for XRP. We are going much higher. 20 million XRP transferred from Chris Larson to unknown wallet. There's some talk about this right now as well. I'm sure we will have more information on that tomorrow. But you know, whenever XRP's price rises, right away people think if somebody like Chris Larson is moving XRP around, that they're gonna dump that XRP. But maybe it's going to on-demand liquidity. Nobody really knows yet. So I'm not going to speculate on where that XRP is going yet. Let's wait for the facts. Who's the king? Bitcoin is up 539% from its bear market low. XRP is up 907% from its bear market low. I think Bitcoin is almost at the top of this run. I expect it to come in somewhere around 120K. XRP is ahead of schedule, and I'm expecting it to go so much higher. People that invested into Bitcoin over the last couple of months, they are not going to get anywhere near the gains that you're going to make off of your XRP. XRP inches closer to overtaking Ethereum, a new crypto king in the making. XRP climbed to an intraday peak of $2.89. It actually went higher. As of press time, is trading at $2.87 per unit, reflecting an increase of nearly 12% over the past 24 hours. It's steadily coming close to flipping Ethereum. And once it flips Ethereum, watch how scared the Bitcoin maxis get, because we will then go on to flip Bitcoin. So many people think it cannot happen for XRP, but look at everything that's lining up for this cryptocurrency. I still think this is the run we take the #1 spot. Vietnam, Laos, cross-border payments, QR payments officially launch. This comes from Tranglo. a Ripple partner that utilizes RippleNet and XRP. And whenever they talk about QR payment systems, that's not inside of Swift. They don't use Swift inside this system. Most likely, they are only utilizing RippleNet technology. This also goes in line with banking the unbanked as well. And this is all about cross-border payments. Breaking, crypto exchange Gemini hints at XRP in its latest post. What do they want to tell us? So you see, explore your potential and reach remarkable opportunities. But take notice how they made the XRP capital. You know, the exchanges know what's coming. They want to capitalize on this run as well. They want to capitalize on XRP because they know it's going to be the #1 performer in this run. I know you can all relate to this post from Edo Finina. In 2023, everyone laughs at me for being pro XRP. 2024, the same people start asking questions about XRP. 2025, XRP massively outperforms Bitcoin, and those too proud to admit Bitcoin is an archaic asset begin regretting their missed opportunity. You know, I talked to so many people about XRP over the last couple of years, and nobody wanted to invest into XRP back in 2023. 2024, people started coming around to crypto, you know, especially once Trump won the election. You know how many people called me that I talked to over the last couple of years? And right away, they're like, hey, do you think I should get into this crypto now, or am I too late? And I told them right out, you're too late to Bitcoin. Put your money into XRP. It's still very undervalued. And I'm sure a lot of you went through all of this as well. I know all of you talk to people every single day about crypto. Once you become an XRP investor, you just can't stop talking about XRP. You can't stop talking about crypto. I even tell people, if you think XRP is overvalued, or maybe you want to stack something else other than XRP, I always tell them, stay within ISO. Invest in XLM, XDC. Everyone should hold at least one QNT, in my opinion. HBAR is another great cryptocurrency. Algo, IOTA, even ADA. You know, at one point I sold my ADA, most of it, and put the money into XLM and XRP. But now Charles is growing on me, and it makes me want to invest even more into ADA now. But I tell them, you know, if you want to get financial freedom, if you want to quit your day job, this is how you do it. You invest in something like XRP, because once it finally really breaks out and really starts to skyrocket in price, it gives you the ability to quit your day job. It retires people. That's what crypto does. You don't get these opportunities in the stock market or anywhere else. The opportunity is in crypto. And right now, you beat everyone to this space. You beat the institutions here. And that is a very big deal. Not enough people talk about that. It's once in a lifetime opportunity, and all of you took it. Make sure you don't sell too soon. Ripple payments partner Thunes announces they have integrated Hyperwallet, a PayPal service, into its direct global network. The partnership expands payout options for merchants in the Asia-Pacific region, enabling Hyperwallet customers to send funds to over 450 mobile wallets and bank accounts across Bangladesh, Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, South Korea, and Vietnam. And you know that RippleNet technology is in there as well. We still are putting rails in place all around the world. Ripple has rails set up in almost every single country in the world. Even BRICS. Everybody talks about BRICS and their gold-backed payment system, their gold-backed currency. What do you think is going to move it? A bridge currency like XRP. XRP network seeing explosion in $1 million transactions. XRP whales are active, moving over 300 $1 million transactions over the network in 24 hours. Like I said, the whales are going to continue to buy XRP. They don't care about the price points that we hit. Don't sell your XRP to the whales. And soon, once the institutions get here, you want to continue holding your XRP because we're going to have steady upward momentum for this cryptocurrency. This comes from Black Swan Capitalist, and this is one of the greatest posts I ever seen on X. He says, beyond speculation, how XRP will solve the global liquidity crisis. And he says, here we go. Let's get straight to the facts and cut through all the noise. As the majority of the XRP community and crypto space in general remains stuck in this echo chamber of hype, FOMO, and speculation. They're missing the bigger picture. The reality is that XRP was never about retail investors or the next quick pump. It's about something much larger and more significant. The global liquidity crisis and the transformation of the financial system at an institutional level. While influencers focus on headlines and hype, the true utility of XRP lies in its ability to stabilize and connect financial systems facing pressure. And he goes on to talk about the role of RLUSD in tokenized debt. XRP is the bridge asset, solving the liquidity problem. Misguided focus of the community. You know, right now, there's so many people pushing this Bitcoin hype, saying this state is starting a Bitcoin reserve. That state is starting a Bitcoin reserve. I honestly think 99.9% of all those articles that these people are drumming up and these posts, they're all bullshit. I don't think any state is going to buy Bitcoin now knowing that the top is almost in. And then what? They're going to sit back and hold Bitcoin for 4 years waiting for the price to go back up. And if utility starts, a massive utility run starts, the 4-year cycle is going to end. Then what? They sell that Bitcoin at a loss? Somebody's got to pick up those losses. So what? Is that supposed to go on to the American people? Or they raise the state income tax or the state tax on when you buy things in that state? You know, I think it's 99% bullshit. And I think it's just to keep the Bitcoin hype going and getting new retail money into Bitcoin. The bigger picture, XRP's role in the new financial order. We are going to see the rise of the new financial system. XRP is going to play a critical role in the new financial system. It's going to run side by side with XLM, XDC, HBAR, Algo, IOTA, QNT, ADA. And as that new system, all that money and all that value is traveling through that system year over year, the price of XRP is only going to go higher. Once the new financial system is in place, that's it for Bitcoin. It'll still be around, but nobody's going to be talking about it because you're going to have crypto involved in moving the world's money, utility-driven cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin only runs on one thing, Tether, printing fake Tether out of thin air and propping up Bitcoin with it and hype. That's it. Once the hype is gone, Bitcoin will become irrelevant. You gotta stay focused on utility. We are on the verge of a massive utility run, and it will change the 4-year cycles. Everybody thinks history is going to continue to repeat itself. And I always said, history repeats itself until it doesn't. And that time is coming. And until it happens, stay patient, stay positive, and let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.